Very good afternoon, dear students. The last class discussed about very important questions, 3-5 marks question. Today we are discussing about left of the question. See the question number 3. A band is given, B band is given, C band is given. The condition x square is equal to -1. First question is given. A square is equal to B square is equal to C square is equal to -8. We need to prove that all matrices are equal. First we need to calculate A square, next B square, next is C square. All are equal to minus I. I is nothing but identity matrix. The solution. First we need to calculate A square. The A square can be written as A into A. Substitute A matrix is I, 0, 0 minus I. Again substitute A matrix I, 0, 0 minus I. By applying the multiplication of two matrix condition, first row, first column. So I into I square plus 0 into 0, 0. Next product first row, second column. I into 0, 0 plus 0 into I is 0. Next, second row and first column, 0 into I is 0 plus minus I into 0, 0. Next product with second row, second column, 0 into 0, 0 minus I into I plus I square. Now we got I square 0, 0 I square. And according to given question is I square is nothing but -1, 0, 0 I square is nothing but -1. We got A square is equal to -1, 0, -1. Next we need to calculate B square. So B square can be written as B into B. Substitute B matrix is 0, -1, 1, 0. Again substitute 0, -1, 1, 0. Product with those two matrices. First row, first column, 0 into 0, 0. -1 into 1 is -1. Next product with first row, second column, 0 into 1 is 0 plus -1 into 0, 0. Next product with second row, first column, 1 into 0, 0 plus 0 into 1 is 0. Next product with second row, second column, 1 into -1, -1 plus 0 into 0, 0. You got answer finally -1, 0, 0, -1. So A square and B square both are similar only. Next we need to calculate C square. C square can be written as C into C. Substitute C matrix is 0, I, 0. Again substitute C matrix is 0, I, 0. Product with those two matrices. First row, first column, 0 into 0, 0 plus I into I square. Then product first row, second column, 0 into I is 0 plus I into 0, 0. Next product with second row, first column, so I into 0, 0 plus 0 into I is 0. Next I into I square plus 0 into 0, 0. Next I square 0, 0 I square. I square is nothing but -1, 0, -1. Next, observe dear friends, I am taking this one. Next, minus I. So minus I is nothing but identity matrix. A, B, C given 2 by 2 matrix. Thus I also am taking 2 by 2 matrix. 1, 0, 0, 1. Product with negative each element. So we got -1, 0, 0, -1. Observe all the questions. A square is equal to B square is equal to C square is equal to -8. All are equal. So A square got -1, 0, 0, -1, and B square also got -1, 0, 0, -1, and C square also got -1, 0, 0, -1. So minus I also got -1, 0, 0, -1. Because of A, all are equal. A square is equal to B square is equal to C square is equal to -8. All the matrices are equal. That's why first one is satisfied. Next we have to prove that AB is equal to minus BI is equal to minus. You need to calculate AB matrix and minus BA matrix all are equal to minus C. So the second one solution. So first one is what? Which we are discussing about. Second one. So we need to calculate AB and minus BA. See the AB matrix. AB is equal to I 0 0 minus I. Next B matrix is 0 minus 1 1 0. Product goes to matrices. First row, first column. I into 0 0 plus 0 into 1 is 0. Next product with I into minus 1 is minus I plus 0 into 0 0. Next product is second row, first column. 0 into 0 0 minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Product is second row, second column. 0 into minus 1 is 0 plus minus 1 into 0 is 0. So 0 minus I into 1 is minus I. This is not 1. So minus I 0. So you got AB is 0 minus I 0. Next we need to calculate BA. First substitute B matrix is 0 minus 1 minus BA. You take minus BA. So minus into B matrix 0 minus 1 1 0. The A matrix is I 0 0 minus A is equal to minus into first row, first column. 0 into I is 0 plus minus 1 into 0 is 0. Next 0 into 0 0. So minus 1 into minus I, that is plus I. Next product with the second row, first column. 1 into I is I plus 0 into 0 0. Next 1 into 0 0 plus 0 into I is 0. So now minus into 0 I 0 product with negative. We got 0 minus I 0. Finally we got AB value and minus BA value. Next we have to check it. C is equal to minus C is equal to minus into C matrix 0 I 0. Product with negative. 0 and everything is 0 only. Minus I 0. Observe it. So AB value and minus BA value and minus C all are equal. That's why conclusion. AB is equal to minus BA is equal to minus C. So all are equal. These are required for the solution, dear students. First we need to calculate AB matrix. Next we need to calculate minus BA matrix. After we need to calculate minus C matrix. So the given equal symbol means all matrices are equal. That's why verify all are equal or not. AB matrix and minus BA matrix and minus C matrix all are equal matrices. That's why finally we are writing conclusion. AB is equal to minus BA is equal to minus C. This is a required solution for in this question. Next we are discussing about fourth one. See the fourth one. Fourth question is, if capital A is equal to minus 1 1 0 3 minus 3 0 not 0 3 5 minus 5 5 and B is equal to 0 4 3 1 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 4 4. Show that A square into B square is equal to A square. So to prove that A square into B square is equal to A square, first we need to calculate A square value. Next we need to calculate B square of that product with A square and B square. See the solution. First we need to calculate A square. The A square is nothing but A into A. Substitute A minus twice. Minus 1 1 0. 3 minus 3 3. 5 minus 5 5. Again substitute A matrix is minus 1 1 0. 3 minus 3 3. 5 minus 5 5. Product with those two matrices, first row, first column. So minus 1 into minus 1 is, that is plus 1. So 1 into 3 3 plus 0 into 5 is 0. Next product, first row, second column. So minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. 1 into minus 3, that value is minus 3 plus 0 into minus 5, that value is 0. Next product with first row, third column. So minus 1 into 0 0 plus 1 into 3 3 plus 0 into 5, value is 0. Next product with second row and first column. 3 into minus 1, value is minus 3. Minus 3 into 3 is a minus 9 plus 3 into 5 is a 15. Next product with second row, second column. 3 into 1 is 3 and minus 3 into minus 3, that is plus 9. 3 into minus 5, that value is minus 15. Next product with second row and third column. 3 into 0 0 minus 3 into 3 is minus 9 plus 3 into 5 is 15. Next product with third row, first column. 5 into minus 1 minus 5 minus 5 into 3 is minus 15 plus 5 into 5 25. Next product with third row, second column. 5 into 1 is 5 minus 5 into minus 3, that is plus 15. So 5 into minus 5, that value is minus 25. Next product with third row and third column. 5 into 0 0 minus 5 into 3, value is minus 15 plus 5 into 5 25. Simplify this one. 4 minus 4 3 minus 9 minus 2 minus 12 minus 12 plus 15 is, that is 3. 9 plus is 12. 12 minus 15, that is minus 3. Minus 9 plus 5, that value is 6. Minus 5 minus 15 minus 20. Minus 20 plus 25, that value is 5. 15 plus 5 20. 20 minus 25, that value is minus 5. Minus 15 plus 25, that value is plus 10. This is a square. This is a square. Next we need to calculate b square. Means b into b. So b matrix is 0 4 3 1 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 4 4. Again substitute b matrix is 0 4 3 1 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 4. So product those two matrices. First row, first column. 0 into 0 0 plus 4 into 1 4 plus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Next product with second column, first row. 0 into 4 is 0 4 into minus 3 minus 1 plus 3 into 4 is 12. Next product with first row, third column. 0 into 3 is 0 4 into minus, that is minus 12 plus 3 into 4 is 12. So next product with second row, first column. 1 into 0 0 minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. Next product with second row, second column. 1 into 4 is 4 minus 3 into minus 3 is plus 9 minus 3 into 4 is minus 1. Next product with second row, third column. 1 into 3 3 minus 3 into minus 3, that value is plus 9 minus 3 into minus 3 plus 4 is minus 4. Next product with third row, first column. Minus 1 into 0 0 plus 4 into 1 plus 4 plus 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. Third row, second column. Minus 1 into 4 is minus 4 plus 4 into minus 3 minus 1 plus 4 into 4 16. Next product with third row, third column. Minus 1 into 3 minus 3 4 into minus 3 minus 12 plus 4 into 4 16. So finally we got b square value is 4 minus 3 1 minus 12 plus 12 minus 12 plus 12 get cancelled, that value is 0 0 minus 3 plus 3 get cancelled 0. Next 4 plus 9, the value is 13. 13 minus 12, the value is 1. 9 plus 3 12 13. 9 plus 3 is 12, not 12. 12 minus 12, that value is 0. Next plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled, that value is 0. Minus 4, minus 4, minus 16, minus 16 plus 16, that value is 0. Minus 3, minus 4, that value is minus 15. Minus 15 plus 16, that value is 1. Next, now we have to taking left hand side. LHS is a square into b square is equal to, substitute a square value is 4 minus 4, 3. 4 minus 4, 3. And second row element is 3 minus 3, 6. And third row is 5 minus 5, 10. Into b square value is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So whenever one element in product identity element we get same matrix only. That's why first row, first column. 4 into 1 is 4, minus 4 into 0 is 0, plus 3 into 0, 0. Next first row, second column, 4 into 0, 0, minus 4 into 1 is minus 4, plus 3 into 0, 0. Next product with first row, third column, 4 into 0, 0, minus 4 into 0, minus 0, plus 3 into 1 is 3. Next product with second row and first column, 3 into 1 is 3, minus 3 into 0, 0. Plus 6 into 0, 0. Product with second row, second column, 3 into 0, 0. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. Plus 6 into 0, 0. Next product with the second row, third column, 3 into 0, 0. Minus 3 into 0, 0. Plus 6 into 1 is 6. Next product with the third row, first column, 5 into 1 is 5. Minus 5 into 0, minus 0. Plus 10 into 0, 0. Next product with third row, second column, 5 into 0, 0. Minus 5 into 1 is minus 5, plus 10 into 0, 0. Next product with third row, third column, 5 into 0, 0, minus 5 into 0, minus 0, plus 10 into 1 is 10. Now simplify this one. 4, minus 4, 3, 3, minus 3, 6, 5, minus 5, 10. This matrix is nothing but a square or not? A square what is there? 4 minus 4, 3, 3 minus 3, 6, 5 minus 5, 10. That's why finally write this one is RHS one is a square. So finally proved LHS is equal to RHS. This matrix is nothing but a square matrix. That's why in place of this matrix you can write as a square. Finally proved LHS is equal to RHS. This is the one point for the solution here, friends. If I any notice, you can ask me. Left of the question we will discussing about tomorrow class. Thank you all.